nothing is impossible. One day, Emperor Akbar said to Birbal, I have a challenge that you cannot face. Surprised, Birbal asked, What is it, Your Majesty? Akbar said, The oldest member of this court is a serious man. Let's see how you bring me his nightwear without asking him to give them to you. Birbal said, I always love a good challenge. That night, Birbal put a few red ants into a small jar and secretly went to the courtier's house. When the courtier was about to sleep, Birbal dropped the ants at his feet. The ants bit the courtier all over. He was so vexed that he took off his clothes and threw them aside. Birbal took the clothes and ran away. Next day, Birbal showed the clothes to Akbar. Akbar had a hearty laugh. As he returned the nightwear to the courtier, he said, Birbal, you win. For you, nothing is impossible. The Magic Lamp. Once, a thief broke into Birbal's house. When Birbal woke up due to the noise, the thief hid in a dark corner behind a lamp. The place was dusty and the thief sneezed. Birbal stood at a distance from the lamp and said, Dear lamp, why are you quiet tonight? Is there someone else in this room? The thief thought, if this magic lamp doesn't talk, the man will catch me. I should talk. So he said, I hear you, sir. Birbal said, How did you go to sleep without listening to a story? The thief said, Tell me a story like you do every day. Birbal said, There lived an old lady in a village. One night, a thief entered her house. So she screamed, There is a thief in my house. Servants, please come in. Birbal's servants heard him. They came rushing at once and caught the thief. The 5 Elephants. Once, Emperor Akbar gave Birbal 5 elephants. Birbal thanked the emperor and took them home. After some days, Birbal went to the marketplace to sell the elephants. One of Akbar's guards saw this and complained to Akbar. Akbar was angry. He said, How can he sell the gifts that I have given him? He took his guards and went to the marketplace where Birbal was. He shouted, Birbal, you have disrespected me. Why are you selling these elephants? Birbal bowed and said, No, Your Majesty, I respect you. I didn't want to hurt you, so I accepted them. I cannot afford to feed such mighty beings at home. I want to sell them and buy 5 cows. They will give milk, and with each glass that I drink, I will bless you. Akbar calmed down. He ordered his guards to take away the elephants. Then he gifted Birbal 5 cows instead. The Lost Women. One day, Akbar and Birbal were strolling along the banks of the Yamuna. Suddenly, they heard people shouting. When they went near, they saw some people standing around a man. The man bowed and said, Your Majesty, my wife left home in the morning to bring water from the river. She has not returned. I am looking for her. One of the men in the crowd said, I heard a woman shouting for help a while ago. Look for her in the forest nearby. Another man said, Look for her in the market. The man was confused. Birbal said, If someone heard her shout, she might have fallen into the river. It flows downstream. Go there. Hurry up, or she will be drowned. The man jumped into the river and began to swim downstream. He found his wife holding on to the branch of a tree and saved her. They thanked Birbal for his presence of mind. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.